everyone, it's Magical Mom Lar, and today we are headed to Hollywood Studios, Galaxy's Edge, and my 5-year-old daughter will be building a droid, BB-8 R2-D2. She's so excited. Come along with us. So for Christmas, she got a Rey costume, and in the pouch was a little droid gift card.
What is it?
It's a gift card for Star Wars.
To build a droid.
You're gonna build a droid.
I think it's like an hour experience, just over $100, and I'm excited to see what she builds.
Fierce Jedi. Sure you don't want Rey hair? Last chance.
If you're not.
Hey, Lanny, remember what you say? To say hello on that too? Bright sun. Let's go build a droid! Yeah! So you have a BB-8, C110P,
also known as
Chopper, and then R2-D2.
R2-D2.
You wanna do R2-D2?
Yeah, just let me go.
Hold on, wait. Do you wanna get a backpack?
Yeah.
Okay. Landon, wait.
What now?
Okay, so she wants to do R2-D2 with the backpack.
Yep, that's gonna be an upgraded bundle. That's $195.
Do we just grab it?
No, we're gonna go.
Say hi
You
to
don't have
our
reservation,
robot.
right?
Yeah, we do. I just checked
Keep an
in.
eye on that left-hand side. And once you get together, let them know you want to
Oh, okay, only one person. Where can he go?
Resistance. This one's gonna sound kind of futuristic-y.
What do the others sound?
R2-D2, sassy, grumpy, angsty. That's Chopper. Shy, timid, loving, caring, BB-8.
Right now, you have. Do you want to do full R2-D2?
That one, the regular one.
The regular one?
R2. You know what? Sorry, do you want all these pieces then?
You want the regular one or you want to mix them up?
Regular.
She wants it regular looking. Okay. Do you put it in here?
That was easy.
I know.
Funny life for that simple. You know, then one of those. You know what? And one of those.
And that's all the parts?
That's it. So everything else, yeah, like the red little bullet panels here, and panels for the plate. We'll get those at the build station.
Okay.
That was it.
Good job, honey. Let's take it to the station. What?
You don't make much time to film everything then.
Oh.
Obviously there'll be a lot more filming when you're
Now, yeah, but now for the way, okay? So right here. Now you're gonna power drill to drill right here, okay? Press the button right here.
Okay. Now what do we do? Step 2? I don't know.
Step 2.
Hold on, let's wait. Do we wait for you or?
So if you want to, go ahead.
Oh, I don't know what to do. What do I do?
So now you do the left and do the other leg.
Okay. So put this here. Gonna put that on. Is it on? Good job. Okay, I'll line it up and then you press that button. Good job. Okay. You think we do put the foot on somewhere?
I know it's right here.
All right.
That one, the other way?
The other way?
No, that's way. Now push it.
Okay. Give it a good push. There we go. Now do we do the head?
You're gonna do my best.
You think this goes on? You want to try to put it on?
So right here. Inside.
Ok. Là, voilà, comme il t'a montré, tu prends les choses dans les douze
Twist it to the right, make sure it's locked in. Like that, okay?
Okay. And then drill.
No, I don't need no more. So now for the front panel, will be right there for you, Susan.
You can put some things in the front panel. Landon, come here.
So right here, okay? Close to it.
So you want to put it right in there. Good job. Is that good? Let me see. Ready? Oh, it goes this way. Try that way. Okay. All right. There you go. You want the same color or white or red or black? Okay. Okay.
Now you
Okay, my friend, now.
Oh.
For the left panel, so we have 4 different colorway. Right here.
Which one do you like?
If you want the same color, just let me know, okay?
Okay. What do you want to put on the side panel here? Blue? Okay. Do you want them both to be blue?
Yeah.
Okay.
Switch right here. This will be off. That will be on. Okay?
Okay.
You have a chip on you or no chip?
Yes.
Okay.
All right. Ready? Is he alive?
Okay. So this one have dead
All right. We're gonna activate it.
Hit the red button for me.
Hit the red button, Landon. Whoa, it says priming activating coupler, preparing acoustic signaler, assigning primary photoreceptor, formatting logic function, and initializing droid activation. He's activating. Wow.
Hi. Hi.
That's what I'm saying, bro. So, say my friend, so now, play with it. It will be right here. It will be forward, backward, right, left to move the head, to talk to you guys to be right here.
And then what do we do with the chip?
Right here. When you're ready, put the chip in.
Okay.
Okay, my friend. All information about the robot will be right there for you guys.
Okay.
We have it back on. Please put us away.
Hi.
Yeah, you want to go outside and play with it, Landon?
Yeah.
Can we go outside?
Yeah. After I say my.
Let me put this away for you. Okay?
Yeah, he's going to put it away.
Thank you.
Thank you. Where'd Daddy go? Wow, you look so cool, Ray.
Mom,
Yeah.
where's my favorite robot?
There's some droids back there. There's some out. Don't run anyone over. Sorry.
What are you doing with that? Sending data to the resistance? Extract the transmission logs from that data pad and write the memory.
There's an encryption matrix, sir.
See that it's done, and your memory might remain intact.
Understood.
This is the way, this way.
Is it good? Watch your fingers, hon. Can you help her?
Here we gotta get him flat. Get him flat like that. Okay.
There you go.
There you go.
Oh no, try to go the other way. Woo!
Fall over.
Yeah,
Yeah, he's not level.
That one's really level. Oh, I got you. These legs.
Oh, there you
There we
go.
go.
The backpack's nice. Isn't the backpack nice?
Yeah, it is. It really holds them in there good.
Be good for the plane. Oh, that moves his head?
Hit the big red button. Hit this button. There we go.
That's cool, Landon. Whoa, guy's doing just bumper droids.
Robot. This.
I love that this is your look for the night, though.
My overall thoughts on building a droid in Galaxy's Edge. This was January 3rd, and it was a very busy day, and even the droid depot was very busy. We had been there 4 years ago on this day, and it wasn't as busy. And just this time of year, it's not even worth being there. So it was a very chaotic experience, and we did have an issue that I did not get on camera. Basically, the body of the droid was completely dead, and you can only have one adult with the child while you're doing this. And I had to take the entire thing apart by myself. Then we had to rebuild it again. And I asked him, can't we just go and get new parts? And he was kind of rude and said no. And he didn't have a lot of time to help us. So that was a big negative. So I would say if you are going to build, especially with a young child, my daughter is 5, to go when it's not so busy. We were there a couple of months ago on a solo trip, and she really wanted to build a droid, and it was empty, but I wasn't able to get it home. I had enough stuff, just her and I on a plane getting home. So she had been looking forward to this. So she really wanted to do it, and she loved meeting BB-8 over in Hollywood Studios as well. I just have to put this picture in here. If you've done magic shots at Disney, she created her own magic shot with the small droid that I got her. So cute. So you can get R2-D2 on Shop Disney for $99, and then to build the droid is $119. So I think that's a good price and worth it. We went with the $195 package, and as you can see in the video, it includes a choice of personality chips and also a backpack. And it was really nice to carry it around and keep R2-D2 in that backpack at home. And there is a Droid Depot app as well that is fun to use. So I think it's worth it. I think it's not a bad price. And the kids love it. I mean, they have their own little robot and droid in 2024. That's a big deal. Maybe in the future it will not be. But for $119, I think it's a great price.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.